Bedbugs are small insects. They're oval in shape and they're flattened from top to bottom. They're reddish brown in color, and this has a lot to do with the food source that they eat, which is animal blood. So pretty much their color will depend on when their last blood meal was. They're also, as I said, very small. They're about 1/4 of an inch, but what's surprising is you can actually see them with the naked eye. So they're a lot larger than people think. A lot of people seem to get them mixed up with dust mites and think bedbugs are these microscopic little things that infest your mattress and bite you at night and you have no idea they're there and you wake up with welts. Well, that's not really the case. If you actually were to see a bedbug, you can see it visibly, and it actually sometimes gets mixed up a little bit with the size of a tick. Having clean environment has nothing to do with the fact that you may get bedbugs. They are attracted to a blood source, so as long as you or another living creature is in the area, that's what they're attracted to. Bedbugs are hitchhikers, so they'll climb into clothing and luggage and things like that, and you pretty much have to pick up an infested item and bring it into your house. Mattresses could be a good place. The inside of a wall void where you crawl under the baseboard is another great one, but they can pretty much be inside anything: alarm clocks, lamps, books, anything that forms a tight, dark space and is not disturbed is pretty much your criteria. If you find you have a bedbug infestation, you'll need to get professional treatment to eliminate the problem. But before the professionals show up, you must prepare your residents. You should start your preparation in the area where the infestation exists. First, limit traffic in and out of the area. Don't take items out of the room or move new items into the room if it isn't necessary. This will keep those hitchhikers from traveling, and it will limit the number of new items becoming infested. Second, declutter. The more items you have lying around, the more hiding spaces you have created for bedbugs to hide. It is important to place as many items in garbage bags as you can to limit sites for bedbugs to move in. Third, move all furniture to the center of the room. The bedbugs will be less likely to get inside the far walls and spread to other rooms if they have to travel. Next, remove all washables and begin cleaning. Wash in the hottest water temperature possible and use detergent. Then dry items using a full dryer cycle. Do not store items in the laundry room before cleaning them, as this will give many opportunities for bedbugs to leave clothing and infest. You can take your washables to a dry cleaner, but if you do, let them know that you're dealing with bedbugs. Next, vacuum or steam clean the other items that can't be washed. This will destroy adults, nymphs, and eggs. Always throw the vacuum cleaner bag away immediately when finished vacuuming. Finally, if mattresses and box springs are infested, you'll need to get a zip mattress cover for them or dispose of them. If using a mattress cover, the cover must completely enclose the mattress and stay in place for more than a year. This is because bedbugs can live without food or water for up to 1 year. Remember, when dealing with bedbugs, get professional treatment and be sure you can prepare your space before the professionals arrive.
Visit the Fairfax County Health Department's website for